Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. Guys, if you want to create a community chat in a group in which you are an admin, then this video would be helpful for you because in this video I will show you how you can create a Facebook community chat very easily. So guys, let's get started. First of all, open your Facebook application and then click on three lines on top right corner. After that, click on groups. And now, in the top menu, click on your groups. Now scroll down and here you can see your R groups. Now select the group in which you want to create a community chat. So I want to click on first group, so click on it. And now click on manage. After that scroll down and in the tool shortcuts you can see community chats. Click on it. And here you can create a new chat. So click on create a chat. Here you can write the name of your chat. For example, I write here the name of this chat. For example, I write any random name and then click on create chat. So guys, you can see we have created our chat in the community tab successfully. Guys, in this way you can create a community chat with the moderators and group admins very easily. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.